Take a look at the markets. Edging slightly higher. The Dow, the S&P, and the Nasdaq all just moving just a tad higher in the pre-markets. Another busy week of information coming our way. Let's bring in Jeff Sica. We're going to hear from Apple this week on their earnings. Great to see you, Jeff. Do you like Apple as an AI investment? Let me ask you that.
Obvious, Apple's had an issue with China. They have a China problem. Their shipments are down 20%, and globally they're down 10%. So what they're going to need in this new iOS 18 is they're going to need to show, Tim Cook is going to need to show that they are integrating the AI functions within the new operating system. And there's been a lot of rumors lately that they're in conversations with ChatGPT, with OpenAI, and also with Google and their Gemini product. So there is what I anticipate we're going to see this week is we're going to see Tim Cook unveil some of the AI functions, because Apple has realized that not only do they have a China problem, but their rollouts, their new their new version rollouts have not compelled consumers to buy, because they have not included functions that people would be willing to pay a premium for. The ones that they're putting out now are I anticipate consumers will pay a premium for them.
Interesting. I want to move on to Tesla if we can, Jeff. You say the company basically masked its horrifying results. Make your case.
Well, you know, Ashley, I love Elon Musk. I think he's great. I've been beating up on Tesla a lot lately, and one of the reasons is if you looked at those earnings, if you looked at the stock after earnings, you would think that they had the best blowout earnings. Their earnings were horrific. They saw their operating margins decline. They saw revenue decline by about almost 10%. Gross margins decline by around 18%. You're seeing EV demand worldwide is declining. They also have a China problem. You're seeing so many negative headwinds with Tesla, but the company got out in front of it, and after their earnings, they started talking about things like self-driving, AI functions, all things that are, I guess, are good, but it's going to take years for Tesla to introduce these things. So I think Tesla has a very serious problem. I would not be chasing this stock at this price. I think they're going to hit another roadblock with it.
We hear your statement loud and clear, Jeff Sica. Jeff, great to see you this morning. By the way, the Tesla stock up more than 13% after passing kind of a regulation hurdle in China for self-driving, full self-driving mode. We'll get into that later in the show, but that stock is popping right now. Jeff, thank you very much.